Hello there! Our topic is about recognizing evaluative word choices to detect biases and propaganda devices used by speakers. In this video lesson, we will be talking about two propaganda devices, namely card stacking and name calling. But before we proceed, let's have a review of our previous lesson, which is about the types of informational or factual text. The direction is you're going to identify the informational text structure described in each sentence, and you're going to choose your answer from the leaves. Okay, number one, it explains the causes and the effects of the problem. What is your answer? Okay, correct. The answer is cause and effect. Okay, now number two. It involves a comparison involving multiple things, revealing how they are similar and how they are different. What is your answer? Correct. The answer is compare and contrast. Okay, for number three, it involves identifying a problem and giving a solution. What is your answer? Right. The answer is problem and solution. Number four, texts that use this structure simply describe something. What is your answer? You're right. The answer is description. And for the last one, it includes sequential instructions such as step 1, step 2, step 3, do this, then do that, then this happened, etc. Okay, so what's your answer? Good job! The answer is order and sequence. Very good! To start with our lesson, we need to define or give the meaning of these two important words. The first one is the word bias. Bias is a judgment based on a personal point of view or prejudice in favor of or against one thing, usually in an unfair manner. It means that a person prefers an idea and possibly does not give equal chance to a different idea. Bias is generally seen as a one-sided perspective. So the keywords for us to understand the word bias are unfair, does not give equal chance, and bias is one-sided. On the other hand, propaganda refers to the spreading of information, ideas, or rumor with the intention of influencing people's opinions or emotions. In propaganda, there are misleading ideas that are used to promote or publicize a particular cause or point of view. So what are the keywords for propaganda? Okay, it's all about spreading of information, ideas, or rumor. But the intention is to influence people's opinions or emotion. And it also uses misleading ideas. The first type of propaganda device that we're going to discuss is card stacking. What is card stacking? It is a propaganda device that uses misleading or unproven statistics to convince the audience to believe it as a fact. Second, it originated with gambling, where players would try to stack the deck in their favor. And this technique only presents the good qualities or traits of a person, organization, or a product, not revealing the negative side. That is why card stacking is also called cherry picking. For better understanding, I will show you some examples of card stacking as a propaganda device. First example is this ad that claims that its burger is fresh, hot, healthy, and tasty, deliciously good. It added that it is 40% less fat, 30% less calories, and big taste. Another example is this pizza advertisement that claims that the pizza gives free 50% more meat and cheese with no additional charge. However, customers have no way to verify the claim. Therefore, the advertisement is card stacking, as it uses misleading or unprovable statistics to advertise its product. Next example is Mr. Ryan Perez, who is running in a senatorial race. During his campaigns, he often talks about his positive personality and his good leadership qualities. He does not mention any of his negative attitudes or traits. He is trying to make everyone believe that he is the Mr. Perfect guy who deserves a slot in the senatorial race. Now, we go to the next type of propaganda device, which is name calling. What is name calling? It is a propaganda device that gives a negative label to an idea, person, or product so that it will be rejected. It is the same as trash talking another product or person, criticizing another company to promote their own. Here's an example of name calling as a propaganda device. The ad shows that in its advertisements, McDonald's burger could be seen as bigger and more attractive. However, according to the ad, the actual or real McDonald's burger is smaller and less attractive. The ad gave a bad image to McDonald's burger, implying that McDonald's is just fooling its customers. Another example shows that the protesters who rallied against President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, giving him negative labels such as Hitler, Fascista, and Tuta. And the last example of name calling is this image that gave negative label to former President Benigno Simeon Aquino III. He was called a terrorist by his critics. Okay, that's it. Now, let's check if you understand the two types of propaganda device that we have discussed. Activity 1. Choose the statements that can be used as card stacking propaganda to advertise and promote a car brand. Let's have number 1. It is the leading car brand in the world. Could it be used as a card stacking propaganda? Agree or disagree? Okay, you're right. The answer is agree. Number 2. It is expensive and high maintenance. Could it be used as a card stacking propaganda? No, it's not a card stacking propaganda. Number 3. Only limited range of colors are available. Could it be used as a card stacking propaganda? Okay, no. We cannot use it as a card stacking propaganda. Number 4. It is fuel efficient and environment friendly car. Could it be used as a card stacking propaganda? The answer is yes. And last, number 5. It has safety features to make you feel comfortable and at ease. Could it be used as a card stacking propaganda? Yes. Okay, good job. For the last activity, look closely at each image. Identify the propaganda device used. Is it card stacking or name calling? The first one is this image. Is it card stacking or name calling? Right, the answer is card stacking. Next image, is this card stacking or name calling? Right, the answer is name calling. Number 3. How about this image? Card stacking or name calling? The answer is card stacking. Number 4. The answer is? Okay, good. The answer is card stacking. And last, number 5. This is good. Name calling. Great job. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you have learned a lot.